Sympathism and altruism as type of defense mechanism, pag-usapan natin yan. Magandang buhay, this is Binibining Divine Grace, ang registered criminologist dito sa Pilipinas, and pag-usapan natin ngayon ang 2 types of defense mechanism as per reference on my first video. Altruism is diverting the attention to other people's pain instead of focusing with his own pain. It is like healing oneself by healing others. Great example nitong altruism is nung nangyari sa amin. Nung namatay yung tatay ko, dahil nga ako ay isang middle child or almost middle child kasi 6 kami. Instead na mag-focus ako sa pain na nararamdaman ko nung namatay yung father ko in the middle of pandemic, is nag-focus ako sa pain na nararamdaman ng mga kapatid ko, most especially ng mother ko. And sa pag-comfort ko sa kanila, sa pagsama ko sila sa journey ng pagluluksa, and by that, sa defense mechanism na to is na-comfort ko din yung sarili ko by comforting my loved ones. Parehas kami may pain na nararamdaman and we heal each other by listening, diba? By giving our attention and by just being present in their tough time. Ano naman pinagkaiba na to sa sympathism? Sympathism naman, ikaw mismo na may nararamdamang pain, ikaw mismo yung naghahanap ng tao na makikinig sa'yo or magko-comfort sa'yo in your tough time. So, anong pinagkaiba? Sa altruism, ikaw yung nakakaramdam ng pain, pero mas binibigay mo yung attention mo, yung comfort mo sa ibang tao na nakakaramdam din ng pain. You heal your own pain by healing others. While sa sympathism naman is focus on sa sarili. Ikaw yung nakakaramdam ng pain, ikaw yung naghahanap ng comfort, ikaw yung naghahanap ng makikinig. Ayun lamang po, sana naging malinaw. And kung ikaw isang criminologist student, isang registered criminologist, and aspiring registered criminologist, pwede ka pong mag-comment dito para mas lumalim pa ang ating talakayan. And kung may questions ka po, huwag ka pong mahiyaring mag-comment dito. And see you in the next one. God bless.